Looking to upgrade your floors? Forget the cracks and cold feel of traditional tiles, epoxy floors are the new game changer. Durable, waterproof, seamless, and stunning, they're perfect for kitchens, hospitals, showrooms, bedrooms, and more. At Virgo Holdings, we specialize in 3D epoxy floor designs tailored to your style and space, offering a modern, luxurious finish with long-lasting results. But that's not all. We handle full-scale renovations, wall repairs, ceiling works, partitions, electrical upgrades, plumbing, painting, office fit-outs, and more. Whether it's a small fix or a complete transformation, we do it professionally and leave your space spotless. At Virgo Holdings, we offer complete renovation solutions, from electrical wiring and installations, to ceiling works, painting, plumbing, office partitioning, and general repairs. Whether it's your home, office, shop, or medical space, we transform it professionally and leave it looking brand new. Phone ready to start? Call us today on +254 722 524 770. Email info@virgoholdings.co.ke. Visit www.virgoholdings.co.ke. Let's bring your space back to life with style and precision. Virgo Holdings Ltd, excellence in every detail.